Sound check.
G'day, Dr. Dan here, and today we're going to dive deep into different teaching methods for learning to sing, focusing particularly on the differences between experiential teaching and evidence-based teaching. Plus, we'll explore why evidence-based methods might offer more expansive benefits compared to experiential teaching in vocal training. Experiential teaching in singing involves learning through doing, actually singing, experimenting with techniques and using personal experiences to guide improvement. Imagine learning to control your breath or extend your vocal range by simply trying different methods during a performance or rehearsal. This hands-on approach is incredibly valuable for understanding your own voice and its unique capabilities. However, experiential teaching has its limits, especially when it comes to the consistency and reliability of vocal training. Since this method relies heavily on the individual's personal experiences and subjective feelings, it can lead to varied outcomes among students. For example, a technique that works wonders for one singer might not be effective for another due to different vocal qualities or personal interpretations. On the flip side, evidence-based teaching in singing is rooted in techniques and practices that have been tested and proven through research and consistent results across a wide range of learners. This method, this approach, uses scientific studies to determine the best practices for teaching. Evidence-based teaching provides a structured approach to learning how to sing, ensuring that all students, regardless of their initial skill level or personal vocal characteristics, receive training that is backed by research. It's about employing methods that are not only theoretically sound, but also practically proven to enhance vocal performance reliability. The breadth of evidence-based teaching allows for a more standardized education in singing, which is crucial for foundational skills like pitch control, vocal health, and technique sustainability. These are essential for any singer's long-term development and professional growth. While experiential learning is undeniably beneficial for the personalization and immediate application it offers, its subjective nature means it lacks the consistency that evidence-based teaching provides. To become proficient and versatile singers, students need a balanced approach that combines the richness of personal experience with the reliability and scalability of research-supported techniques. So, while diving into singing with all of your heart and voice is thrilling, anchoring your learning in proven, research-backed methods ensures you build on solid ground, not just enthusiasm. Thanks for watching. If you're keen to optimize your singing practice with evidence-based techniques, click here for more insights. I'm Dr. Dan. Sing well.